So what's exciting to us right now is we're basically a lab that's fascinated by the big picture of the living world, evolutionary biology. So we're wholehearted biologists. We wear it on our sleeve. We're interested in the origins and antiquity of life on Earth. We're interested in the diversity of life and also the unity of life in terms of things being related by common descent over long periods of time. I think people are interested in social biology. Sociality is one of those things that have long fascinated not just biologists, but people in general. People are fascinated by what brings animals together, how they communicate, what makes those groups form. Like, why is it that conflicts arise? How is it that conflicts are mediated? And what's the basis of those conflicts? It's not a uniquely human problem or question. And in fact, some people that study social behavior don't study humans. In fact, they study things that might appear weird, like they study insects, for example. On the one hand, it might appear esoteric. Oh, gee, we're studying ants and how genes are transmitted in ant colonies. That's a bit weird. But on the other hand, a lot of social insects have economic importance. So, for example, I could mention honeybees. Honeybees are the billion-dollar industry the world wide over. What makes those workers behave as they do? Why are they suppressing their individualistic sort of selfishness? Why don't they fly off and be individualistic? Why do they coordinate their efforts? How is that division of labor shaped by natural selection so it functions as it does? If you know that, if you know the very bricks that make up an animal society, like a honeybee, for example, that information is only one step removed from being able to, say, exploit, manipulate, or understand, coax that information into an economic or practical payoff.